apparel decorator is to increase their profit opportunity. And this fall, whenever you're printing your fanwear, one easy way to do that is to create add-on sales with accessories. In this video, I'm going to be showing you top 3 accessories that you should be adding to your offering for this fall fanwear season by printing with the brand Viv Lou. Let's get started. First accessory on the list is going to be the Viv Lou clear Gameday wristlet. All right, so you can see here that it has a nice clear area, which is great for fall fanwear so that folks can enter the stadium and have a bag to take in with them and not have any issue. And it does come with a couple of different straps. And since we have an option here of where we can customize, we could either do the plastic or the vegan leather here. So this is a faux metallic leather, very retail ready, perfect for fall fanwear when it comes to different trends and accessories that you can offer your customers. We are going to go ahead and press on the vegan leather. That way I don't have to worry about potentially melting the plastic. And we are going to be utilizing 2 heat press accessories while we're doing this. All right, so we are going to use the Print Perfect pad that you see here, and then of course the flexible application pad. This is going to remove any risk of damaging the item or it potentially melting. All right, so all we have to do is go ahead and load this on our platen, and I am going to insert the Print Perfect pad, isolate my print area, and make sure that that zipper is falling off of the back there. Right, the product that we are going to be printing the clutch with is CAD Prints Glitter Flake, right? And this is just simple as far as ordering goes. All you have to do is upload your artwork and we will send you the design ready to heat apply as you see here. Right, so I'm just getting my placement, finding center here of the bag, and then I'm going to completely cover this with the flexible application pad. All right, all over. That way we don't have to worry about anything potentially melting. All right, so I'm going to apply this at first for 10 seconds. So whenever you are using the flexible application pad, one thing to consider with this tool is that you do need to increase your recommended time for application by an additional 10 seconds. So since Glitter Flake can apply at 10 seconds, all we have to do is add another 10 seconds onto that. Now I could have went ahead and allowed it to apply for the full 20 there, but I do want to avoid the carrier from increasing or causing any indentation in my faux leather here, right? Anytime we're working with material like this, we want to avoid anything from that happening. So I'm going to remove that and hit this again for the last 10 seconds that it needs so that it does in fact cure that adhesive from the CAD Prints Glitter Flake onto the vegan leather. And once that 10 seconds is up, it's completely done. Nothing else needs to happen from there. It is ready to sell. Okay, so that's what's great about utilizing these heat press accessories and knowing what tools you have so that you can customize and print items like this. Right, really going to take your accessory offering for your customers to the next level, right? No damage done to the plastic. I can still put things in here. It's not stuck together. We also did not damage the vegan leather either, right? As I mentioned, this does come with straps itself, but one of the new items on the list of accessories from Viv Lou at Wholesale Boutique is interchangeable straps, okay? So when it comes to heat pressing straps, you can, you have a lot of real estate to take advantage of. However, there is an adjustment here where you can shorten or make this longer, and we want to find the spot where it's a graphic or some customization is not going to get covered up. That's going to be right here, okay, at the start, and then it can be adjusted from here on out without this getting covered up at all. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and customize this. The goal here is to show you all the different accessory options that you have. Viv Lou is doing some really trendy things that I think customizing with and offering can take your business to the next level and show your customers you can do more than just your standard accessories. All right, so we're going to be doing a 2-color application here. The first application that I am doing is black soft foam, okay? I am using this as an outline so that the glitter flake, which is going to be my next layer, really stands out. So I'm just increasing my pressure here a bit, and we're gonna give that its full application. Soft foam is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove that carrier. And now we can lay in our glitter flake. Right, we want to match the strap to the print that we did on the wristlet, since that is another upsell option, right? So we're offering the wristlet as a great add-on sale. And now we can also add another upsell by doing glitter on the strap to match the glitter on the wristlet, right? And this will just get its full application. And then the strap will be complete, and we can pair it with the wristlet. All right, and now that strap is complete, right? Nice glitter and textured effect on there. Having that black outline really helps the design to pop from the busy pattern that is going on the strap. All right, and this is a simple hook on here. And now we have a very cohesive piece with the customized wristlet and strap that go together, right? So really great add-on sales here. You can see with the wristlet, that is a great add-on sale if someone is buying a t-shirt or a hoodie and they want an accessory to go with it. And then an add-on sale to the wristlet would be this awesome strap as another option to pair with the other straps that already go with it. Next on our accessory list is a tailgate tote, which is perfect for any fans celebrating their team before the game. The heat press accessory that we are going to use is a heat printing pillow. This is going to help raise our print area whenever we are working with this bag. Right, whenever you're working with such a large tote bag, it's really nice to have a press that does offer that threadable option so that you're just working with one layer of the item. All right, now as you can see, I'm working with some wrinkles here, so I am going to grab my cover sheet and do a quick pre-press. This is just going to get the item ready for application, get those wrinkles out of there, and allow me to test my pressure. All right, so we are doing a 3-color application. And whenever you are pressing accessories, it's always important to note what fabric or material that it is being made out of. So this is a polyester and it's being sublimated to give it its color. So we want to make sure we are using a product that is not going to allow that sublimation ink to migrate through. The product that I have selected is Fashion Film Electric, and you can see we're doing a 3-color design. And what I'm doing is starting with all 3 colors and just laying this out until I get to my base layer so I can see exactly where I want everything to lay and line up. Now, whenever I am doing a bag application, I always go a little bit up from center to apply my design, because as the bag begins to fill, we want to make sure that it's not getting the illusion that the design is too low. So always go a little bit up from center, just as a best practice when it comes to printing tote bags. All right, so I am just going to give this a quick tack. We are going to be using the tacking method here whenever you're working with materials such as fashion foam electric. You can use this method. It helps with quickness at the press. And then it will also help with alignment, right? So HTV does tend to shrink at times if it is under the heat for a long period of time. And since we are layering and also laying in script text at the bottom, we want to eliminate some of that shrinkage, right? So we're going to, again, go ahead and tack the red layer now. And the tack can be anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds. Usually with fashion foam electric, I like to give it 5 seconds total. All right, and as you can see, this is a hot peel, so as soon as that tack is done, even though it's not getting its full application just yet, we are still able to peel hot and have no worries of that removing. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and lay in my last layer here and apply for the full application, which is 15 seconds. All right, and again, this is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove that. And I'm just gonna do one more tack here. You can start to see that sublimation coming through onto the cover sheet. So this is gonna be a throwaway after we're complete here. The reason I'm gonna give this one more tack is because the carrier on our last application did make an indentation on the red there. So we're just going to give that a few more seconds to try to buff that out and give it its completed look. All right, so now our tailgate tote is complete and ready for game day for the Bulldogs. All right, so this is a really great tote bag to be able to offer your customers for game day season, whether it's a mom taking their kids to a game or they're putting a bunch of snacks in here. There's a lot of stuff that you can utilize this for. Those are just 3 of many accessories that you can profit from simply by using a heat press. For more information on the products used in this video and to check out the rest of the fall fanwear guide to see more items that you can offer your customers for this season, visit the links in the description.